Hello and welcome to my YouTube video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to start a long tail cast on without a slip knot. You want to start by putting the yarn in your left hand in the slingshot position. Don't put a slip knot on the right needle. And then you're going to put your needle down and twist it to the front. And that is going to be stitch 1, and that's in place of the slip knot. And then you just go on and continue casting on. This also works the same method if you're going to cast on purlwise. That was casting on knitwise. You start the same way, put your needle down, twist to the front, and then you would put a purl stitch on. In this case, this is a neutral stitch. It can count as a knit or as a purl. And this is putting on the knit. In either case, you get a nice stitch there. There's no knot, and you can just carry on. If you'd like to learn more about long tail cast on, I have a great video over here that goes into all the details of a long tail cast on, how to work it stretchy, the thumb yarn versus the finger yarn, and all that kind of good stuff. Happy knitting!